In a vibrant jungle, Super Splash zooms towards the dazzling Wacky Waterfall. As they arrive, they slip on a banana peel, flying comically through the air. The splash they create sends friendly critters flying everywhere. In the next scene, they try to save a baby turtle, only to be caught in a water blast from an unexpected shower. With cartoonish sound effects, explosions of bubbles surround them, leading to a slippery fight against a villain made of soap. Finally, Super Splash triumphs by spraying the villain away with a tiny squirt gun, leaving everyone giggling. The scene ends with the hero slipping again, landing in a pond, captioned, "Justice served wet."